Welcome to this algebra lesson on complex fractions. Today, we are going to learn how to simplify multi-level fractions, which are essentially fractions within fractions. It might look intimidating at first, but with a couple of simple rules, you will master them in no time. So, what exactly is a complex fraction? It is simply a fraction where the numerator, the denominator, or both contain another fraction. As you can see in the examples here, they look like stacked fractions. You might have 1/2/5 or 3/2/7. Let's break down the parts. In a complex fraction, you have a smaller fraction in the top position, called the numerator fraction, and another in the bottom, called the denominator fraction. These are separated by a larger main fraction bar. Identifying this main bar is key to simplifying correctly. There are two main ways to solve these. The first is the division method, where you rewrite the fraction as a division problem. The second is the LCD method, or least common denominator method, where you multiply the top and bottom by a common multiple to clear out the small fractions. Let's look at the division method first. Since a fraction bar literally means division, we can rewrite 2/3/5/7 as 2/3 divided by 5/7. Then, we follow the rule for dividing fractions. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Now for method 2, using the least common denominator. In this example, we have 1/2/3/4. The denominators of the small fractions are 2 and 4. The least common multiple for these is 4. So, we multiply both the top and the bottom of the big fraction by 4. This cancels out the fractions immediately, leaving us with 2/3. This works for algebra too. Here we have 1 + 1/x, all divided by 1 - 1/x. The LCD for the small fractions is x. By multiplying every single term by x, the fractions disappear, and we are left with x + 1/x - 1. Much simpler, right? Let's try a harder one with variables. Here, the denominators are x, 2, and 2x. The least common denominator for all of these is 2x. If we multiply every term by 2x, the denominators cancel out perfectly, leaving us with a simple polynomial fraction, 6 + x² x - 1. Be careful of these common traps. First, never cancel terms that are added or subtracted. You can only cancel factors. Second, when using the division method, make sure you flip the bottom fraction, not the top one. Flipping the wrong one will give you an incorrect answer. To recap, a complex fraction is just fractions inside a fraction. You can simplify them by rewriting as division using keep change flip, or by multiplying everything by the least common denominator. Both methods work great, so choose the one you are most comfortable with.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.